Hello my friends, so in today's video we are unboxing all of my subscription boxes. So we have Birchbox, we have Glossybox, oh I almost got hit in my head, and I've got LookFantastic box. The reason I'm unboxing them all at once is because it's kind of like it's the end of the month and I gotta get this done. I want to, you know, show you what I got. So, and I wouldn't have time to record it and upload it all at once, or all at once separately, because all at once is what I'm doing now, separately. So that's why I am doing them all together. So we're gonna, I guess, go in the order, smallest to largest. So if you want to see the unboxings, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first we are going to start with Birchbox. This is this month's design. It's super cute. Purple is my favorite color. I'm sure you can see it on my eyes today, but yeah, I love this. This is probably gonna go on my vanity to hold some stuff because I love purple. Anyway, let's open this up and see what we got. So these are the contents of the box, and the first thing that we got is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. I got this before in one of my boxes. I really like this. It clears your skin very well, so I am a fan of that and I'm happy to have it in my collection again. The next thing we have is the Beauty Protector Protect and Blonde Toning Shampoo. Do they know I have blonde hair? I mean, this is just perfect. I'm pretty sure it's a purple shampoo. Yes, and I am right. That's great. I can't wait to try this because, you know, I use kind of like a toner in my hair to, you know, get rid of the kind of orangey yellow I guess color from my hair, but you know, it doesn't last that long, so I'm happy to have a shampoo that will do that for me. The next thing that we have is the Marcel City 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion. Oh, such a long name. So this is what it looks like. It's a teeny tiny sample, you know. It's nice to have these for traveling, but I won't be traveling for a while now, so yeah, this will just have to wait until I finish off my moisturizer, which is going to be a while, but no harm in getting a moisturizer. The next thing that we have is the Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted multivitamin serum to protect and help cover skin imperfections. So I think this is like one of those products, you know, like the Sally Hansen Miracle Legs or whatever it's called. I think this would be, you know, a product like that. I've never tried the Sally Hansen one, so I can't say anything, but you know, it's an interesting little product, so I'm happy to give it a try. And the last thing that we have, oh, you can see my bra strap. And the last thing that we have is the Benefit Gold Rush Blush. Very nice. This is a product that I picked myself. I had a choice between the California blush and this one. The California blush is nice, but it's not suitable for winter because it's coral, so I wanted to give this one a try. So let's swatch it. I'm going to do it like this. Oh, it's a beautiful color. Can you see that? Kind of pinky nectar color with gold flecks, but you know, the gold flecks gives a lovely shine. Huh, I'm happy about that. Can't wait to actually put this on my face. That is it, you guys. This is this month's Birchbox. What do I think? Okay, so I think this is a 4 out of 5 box. I'm going to use the shampoo, the blush, the skin mask and the moisturizer. I'm not sure about the This Works Perfect Legs thingy serum for your legs, but you know, I'll give it a try. It's a small sample anyway, so it'll probably be for one use, but still. Okay, and next up we have this month's Glossybox. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is what the contents look like. A lot of stuff, so let's start. These are the Wet Ones Be Fresh Refreshing Hand and Body Antibacterial Wipes. Isn't it strange to have antibacterial wipes? I mean, I use them. I have one of them in my bag, one of them in my work bag, in the car. You know, I use them, but it's strange to have something like that in a box. Anyway, next up we have the Bang Beauty. What is that? Let me check the card. Bang Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Okay, so we get a brush and the eyebrow cream. So let's see the color. I'm going to use the eyebrow brush that came with. And this is the color. Not a bad color, but the texture of this isn't so good. Maybe it's the brush because it looks like it's shit, so out. The color looks nice. I think it would suit my eyebrow hair, so if it's a little dry, then that's no problem. I'm going to put a little bit of Duraline into it, and we'll see how that works. Next up we have Daily Concepts, your facial mini scrubber with smart technology. This is what it looks like. Let me open that up. I don't use scrubbers like this. Can I open it like that? I use those silicone, you know, brushes. You know what I mean? Like the Foria ones, but not the Foria one. A knockoff one from Lidl. But it works well. It cleans my skin so well. I really actually enjoy this. And the battery lasts a year. One charge lasts 1 year of everyday use. You can't beat that, no? Okay, but anyway, this is what that towel or whatever looks like. There's a scrubby side on this, there's a scrubby side and there's kind of a soft side. So that's interesting. You know, we don't really get products like that in boxes that often. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Next up we have Karl Lagerfeld and Model & Co. lip liner in Rosewood. So this is what the lip liner looks like, and let's check out the color. That's lovely. You know what that color reminds me of? Posy K from Kylie. So this is what it looks like. Such a pretty color and so creamy. I love lip liners, you know. Oh, they help my lips so much because my lips are not as plump and as big as they look here. They're half that size, okay? So I really like a good lip liner to make my, you know, lips look bigger. Next up we have Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. This is what it looks like. So you're supposed to use this once to 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment. So you use this before your shampoo, and this is supposed to exfoliate your scalp. Yeah, exfoliate your scalp. And I don't know, does it help your hair grow, or does it get rid of any dandruff? I don't know. It's quite interesting. It's a mystery product, so you know, I'm happy to give it a go. And the last product is the Beauty Pro Detoxifying Bubbling Cleansing Mask with activated charcoal. I love these bubbling masks. I just tried one out yesterday. It didn't bubble up as much as I would want it to, but it does take out all of that gunk out of your skin, and it leaves my skin feeling, you know, nice and soft and just prepared, I guess, for makeup or whatever, for skincare. I really actually like them, so this is very cool. Okay, so we had 6 products this month in our glossy box, and I think for me this box is a 4 out of 6. I really love the sheet mask that facial scrubber, interesting, that lip liner, of course, and that pre-wash treatment. I'm actually, you know, intrigued to try them out. These two products I wasn't really excited about. The wet ones, antibacterial wipes. Couldn't you give me a lipstick or something that would go with, you know, this lip liner? And this brow cream, it looked a little bit dry, but I have Duraline, so you know, maybe it's a 5 out of 6 box, maybe it's a 4 out of 6 box. We'll see how this product turns out. Okay, and lastly we have my favorite box, which is the LookFantastic box. This is the LookFantastic birthday edition, so I'm excited to see what I got. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks inside. You can't really see anything because we have a leaflet and the Elle magazine. So let me take that out. This is the Elle magazine we got. It's super huge. It always makes the box, you know, feel much heavier than it actually is. And this is what we got. So let's start off. Oh my goodness, this holo sprinkles or whatever it is going to be everywhere. Okay, so the first thing we got is the Philip Kingsley Elastizer Intensive Super Conditioning Pre-Shampoo Treatment. So this is what it looks like. So I've got two pre-shampoo treatments. That is strange. But anyway, it's an interesting product like the one beforehand, and you know, it's something different, so it's cool to try. Next up we have the Mane and Tail Hoof Maker Hand and Nail Therapy. I love hand creams, so oh, this is how it comes out. Like, there's no dropper or anything. That's kind of shit. But anyway, let me take a little bit and put it on my hands and try this out. Okay, you guys, I think that's kind of disappointing. Not only does it not have like a hole to, you know, squeeze the product out, but it's not that great. So I will still use it up, but I'm not happy about that. Next up we have the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. So this is what it looks like. How could I use it in the shower? Oh, okay, I smooth it over my body before showering. Huh, that's funny. I've never had anything like that. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells like essential oils. So cool. I love oils for my face, for my body, for my nails. I just love them. They make everything just so smooth and plump, you know. That's a great product. It's going into my bathroom straight after this video. Next up we have the Eve Lum Cleanser. So this is what it looks like. I assume it's like, you know, the Clinique Take the Day of Balm. Oh, but it's solid. The other ones are not solid. Huh. Okay. I guess we're going to have to learn how to use this product. But I love those cleansers, like the Clinique one, and what's the other one I used? I don't know the brand, but it's like Moringa cleansing oil. I really love this, and I got this in one of those boxes, and it was so good. Oh, these things. And it was so good. So I'm excited to give this a try, actually. And I assume along with this we get this cloth. I think it's a muslin cloth that you use with one of those cleansers. So it's great that we have actually a set, you know, that works together. Okay, and the second and last thing, we have the Amorovica Ultra Mur Mud Mask. So let me open that up. Okay, so this is how the product looks. And inside, oh, is it? Oh, okay, yeah, inside we have a mud mask. Cool. I love mud masks. Like I said, they just take all the dirt out of your face, and especially my chin is just acting up. Always is acting up. So having something, you know, to kind of clear that up is just an answer to my prayers. And the last thing that we have is the Lord & Berry strobing pencils. So this is what it looks like. Let me, yeah, I think, yeah, no, it's such a lovely product. I already have this because I received it in my Birchbox, but I really love this, especially to highlight underneath your brow bone or in your inner corner. I really love this, but I already have one, so I'm going to give this one, oh, I just lost my voice. So I'm going to give this one to my friend, so they can enjoy it as much as I do. Okay, so for me, this box is actually a 4 out of 6 box as well, same as the Glossybox one. I'm not a fan of this hand cream. It doesn't feel as good on my hands. I feel like I have nothing on them anymore. And this Lord & Berry pencil, I already have it, so you know, it's a miss really for me. And these other 4 products are definitely going to be tried out by me. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different. We're having 3 unboxings in one, and maybe it's a little rush, I don't know. But let me know in the comments down below if you like this format, if you prefer having all 3 unboxings in one video. And if you do, like I said, leave me a comment and I'll do it that way. So yeah, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unboxings. So yeah, thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.